Beautiful all-brick home on large 3/4 acre lot overlooking Bear Creek. Home has 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths with split open floor plan. The large living room has vaulted ceiling and wood-burning fireplace. Kitchen featured oak cabinets, gas stove and large dining area. Master has 2 large walk-in closets, double vanities and extra large shower. Home is on septic tank, water well with water filter system, no water bill or sewage bill. Property has an artisan well on it with natural pressure, as well extra large attached 2-car garage has side door and fits 2 crew cab trucks. At the back edge of property is the clear running creek where you can swim or fish. Best of both worlds. Home is not in flood zone. 8x12 shed stays with the home.